Before watching this video, please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes.
Now I will discuss about AP Polyset chemistry syllabus. In this, first lesson is structure of an atom. Structure of atom. So first of all, what is means atom? Indivisible, smallest indivisible particle. Indivisible particle is called atom. So every atom contains 3 subatomic particles. Atom contains 3 subatomic particles. Particles. First one is the proton. Second one is the electron. Third one is the neutron. So here observed, who is this called proton, who is this called electron, who is this called by neutron. Like that questions will be come in polyset questions, polyset students. So now proton discovered by Goldstein. Electron discovered by J.J. Thomson. Neutron discovered by Chadwick. So one code is there, students. That code is easily identified the pen equal to GJC. So here proton means Goldstein, electron means discovered by J.J. Thomson, neutron discovered by Chadwick. This is one of the code. This is the simplest code of discovered by proton and electron and neutrons. It's the very important, students. So next, structure of an atom. According to Bohr's theory, this is nucleus, this is the outer shell, means this nucleus contains protons and neutrons. Then this cell contains electron revolve around the nucleus, means electrons around the nucleus. This is called atom. So this is the electrons. Orbitals. So we have 4 types of orbitals is there. That is, the first one is the s orbital. Second one is p orbital. Third d orbital. Fourth f orbital. In this, one type of question is will be come in polyset. So what is the shape of s orbital? Spherical shape. Spherical shape. Second one is p orbital shape, dumbbell. D orbital, double dumbbell. F orbital, no need, but this is the leaf-like structure. According to Bohr's theory, Bohr's theory. So atom, this is the, we can take like that atom. This is the nucleus. This is cells. So what is mean cell? Electrons revolve around the nucleus is called shell. So here different types of cells is there. The first one is the K shell, and second one L cell, third one is the M cell, and last one is the N cell. So it is denoted by principal quantum number small n. So numbering 1, 2, 3 like that 4. So it is denoted by n, principal quantum number n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So here observe, if n equal to 1, it is the K shell. In this K cell, one subcell is there. S is the one of the subcell present in the K cell. If n equal to 2, it is the L cell. In this, 2 subcells present in L cell. So that is the S and P. Third one, if n equal to 3, it is the M cell. In this, 3 subcells are present in M cell, S, P, D. And also, if n equal to 4, if n equal to 4, it is the N cell. This N cell again contains 4 subatomic particle, S P, D, F. So this is the according to Bohr's theory. So next one is the quantum numbers. Very very important, quantum numbers. These 4 quantum numbers is there. That is the first one is the principal quantum number. It is denoted by small n. Second one is the azimuthal quantum number. It is denoted by small l. Third one is magnetic quantum number. It is denoted by small m. Fourth one, spin quantum number. It is denoted by ms. So some questions coming from this quantum numbers. What is principal quantum number is denoted by small n, azimuthal quantum number is denoted by small l, magnetic quantum number is denoted by m, spin quantum number is denoted by m. S orbital. So this is the one s orbital contains 2 electrons. P orbitals, this like px, py, pz. So 3 into 2 is 6 electrons present in this p orbital. Next, d orbital. So 5 orbitals is there. So 10 electrons, totally 10 electrons. F orbital. So this is totally 7. Here 14 electrons is there. So according to this, one table is there. If s orbital, L value 0. So why? Because L equal to n minus 1. This is the azimuthal quantum number. So L value is depending on n value. So if L equal 0, that is the s orbital. So here number of orbitals, how many orbitals? If s orbital, only one orbital is there. This is the orbital. So this is electrons. So totally two electrons. If p orbital n value, so here L value 1. If p orbital L value 1, so number of orbitals, 3 orbitals is there. 3 into 2 are 6 electrons. Third one, if d orbital L value 2, so number of orbitals, d orbital 5, totally 10 electrons is there. So if f orbital L value 3, so total is 7, so 14 electrons. So depending on this table is some questions observed here. If L equal 0, which orbital identified, that is the s orbital. If L equal to 1, p orbital. If L equal to 2, d orbital. If L equal to 3, f orbital. So how many orbitals present in d means?
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes. And share this